I'm going to show you how to download a game about digging a hole in just a few steps, so if you find this video helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like it for more. So the process is very simple. This is a new popular game. As you can see, it was released just a week ago and it has more than 3000 reviews already. So all you need to do is open Steam. Then at the search text field right here, you need to search for a game about digging a hole. It will appear right here. Then you need to scroll down and you will see this option to add it to your cart. So just click here, continue to payment. As you can see, I have a Steam balance on my account, so I'm gonna use my Steam wallet, but you can use any of these payment methods. Then fill in your billing information, and after that you will have this confirmation message where you have a button to install the content. So by clicking right here, you can choose the disk where you want to install the game. In my case, it will be this one. Just click install, and now the download will automatically start and you will have the game ready in just a few seconds. So that's it. That's how you can download and play a game about digging a hole. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.